Your Dynamics data is not built for analytics. Most teams connect Microsoft Power BI directly to Microsoft Dynamics 365 and expect great reporting. But here's the problem. Dynamics is designed for transactions, not analytics. That leads to slow reports, complex Power BI models, mismatched numbers across departments. Finance starts to lose trust in the reports. And IT? They spend weeks fixing data models. So what's missing? It's actually simple. A proper data warehouse layer between Dynamics and Power BI. When the architecture is right, queries run faster, reports stay stable, metrics align across teams, decisions scale across the business. Companies like Carib Brewery implemented BI for Dynamics to unify reporting across finance, manufacturing, and sales, and gain real operational insight. So remember this, Power BI is not the problem. The architecture is.